Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage notifications on the Grubhub app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and decide which notifications you want to receive from Grubhub. How do you actually go ahead and manage notifications? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Grubhub. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, scroll down and then click on Push Notifications. And then this is where you can toggle on between different notifications, such as order status or offers. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and manage notifications on the Grubhub app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.